What is today?
4th of July.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Say it again.
4th of July.
Yeah, the 4th of July.
And that's great.
What's your favorite part about the 4th of July?
Playing video games.
Yeah, it is important to play video games on 4th of July, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the great part that I love.
Do you remember, what did we talk about? What is the 4th of July? Whose, oh, do you hear that? Whose birthday is it?
Me, woohoo!
No, America's birthday.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's why we celebrate 4th of July. You hear Zoe? Zoe! Hi! Zoe thinks it's her job to bark at everything on the 4th of July.
Oh yeah, that's so nuts.
Do you think Buddy will come out with us?
Right, I'm getting with you.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. What was that?
Fireworks.
Yeah, I heard that. Are you watching the sky to see if any more come out?
Yeah. Sure. Why not?
It's kind of hard to see from where you are. Do you want to come stand over here on the chair with Mommy?
No.
Okay. Looking too good? Is your popcorn?
Fireworks.
Is your popcorn cooked just right? Okay. I think it might need to get just a little bit darker before all the big fireworks come out.
This is so exciting. I'm so excited.
You are?
Mommy, look.
What, babe? Whoa! That one was close. Do you hear all the dogs around barking? Oh, I see some out there. Look at the sky. Did you see it?
No.
Look. There goes some more.
Where?
Okay, just watch. There goes some out there. Just watch. Did you see it?
No. I hate.
Woo!
I hate.
Did you see it? That was loud.
Uh-huh.
Don't you think it'd be cool to be an airplane flying over right now? Because then you see. Okay, look out there. Look out there. Just watch. Watch the sky because the fireworks are starting. Just watch. Whoa! Kaboom!
I saw that one, Mom.
I saw that one too. If you look over above the trees out there, you'll see a lot. Mommy's been seeing lots of them. You just gotta watch. Oh, look! Look out there! Look! There goes some. Did you see it?
I saw that camera.